Well, hello, I'm Candy Sherwin. Once again, I thank you for coming to my YouTube channel. This dance is called the Buzzkill. It is a high beginner, 32 count, so there's no tags, no restarts. It's a little bit quick. It's choreographed by Ben Murphy and Sasha Wolf to the song called The Buzzkill. And Scully and I are going to try to teach this to you, although I think he's just more going to be in the way, but we'll see what happens. Okay? Turning around, and let's get started. Starting on that right foot, step forward on the right on 1, tap your left toe, 2. You're going to step back on the left and do a heel tap, 4. Lock, shuffle forward, step right, left behind, step right, and brush. All of those steps have a count to them. You're right in the middle. So it looks like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let me give you a side view so you can see. So we step on the right foot, step right, left toe, step left, right heel, step right, lock left, stop right, step right, and scuff. Okay? That's your first count of 8. Going on from there. We're going to do another step toe like we started the first count of 8. Our left foot is free, so we're going to step left, toe right. And this time we step back and we're going to hitch, which means lift that knee, turn a quarter, up. Side chassé with a quarter turn, step left, right, left, 6 o'clock, brush. Once again, all even counts. So we do this, we step 1, tap, 2, step 3, hitch, 4, step 5, together, 6, turn at 7, brush, 8. Okay, now that's very slow. It's much faster than that, but once again, everything is nice and even. So let's try that from the top. Right foot goes, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, brush, step 2, 3, lift 4, step together, step, brush. Got that? Third count of 8, not too difficult. So the third count of 8, we're already at 6 o'clock. So I'm going to turn so that you can see it, because I know that's really hard to learn when I'm facing you like this. So you would have just had that brush right foot, yeah, because you've done it here and you did a little scuff. So the right foot is up. We're going to take it step 2 steps out at slight diagonal, out, out. You're going to pop those knees, pop, pop. Then taking the right leg and you're going to do jump and cross it over, cross, hold, turn, hold. So when you cross and jump that right foot, your weight is kind of on your right foot, but as you unwind, you put it on your left foot. Now the counts on this are, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, hold 6, 7, hold 8. Again, 1 count for everything with those holds. Now I know some of you have a hard time with that jump, and what I would suggest if that jump is too much is that after you do the pop, pop, rather than jumping it, just cross it over and turn. And then if you can't do the jump, you're still doing the exact same thing, just with a slight modification. All right? I'm going to go back to the beginning so we can do that nice and slow though. Here we go. From the top, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, lock, 5, 6, brush it, 7, 8, step toe, 2, step hitch, 4, trip, full turn, and out, out, pop, pop, cross, turn. Okay, so again, that was out, out, pop, pop, cross, and turn, and the first time you did it was here, so it brings you back around. So after you finish that, pop, pop, and you turn around, what's going to happen is we're going to do some heel struts. And heel struts are a little different than toe struts. Toe struts we do a lot, yeah? The heel strut goes heel, drop your toe, heel, drop your toe. Okay? So we're going forward. We're going to go right, left, drop. This is a jazz square with a quarter turn. I'm going to cross my right foot over, follow my right shoulder if I step back, step to the side on my right, bring my left foot together, putting my weight on it so I can start the dance again. So the final count of 8, let's try this side of Scully, is a heel strut, heel, drop your toe, heel, drop your toe, cross, 6, 7, 8. With counts, all even. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the whole dance is like that. There's no and, right? Which makes it easier in your brain. You just want to count through everything. Okay, so we're going to do it once from the top, and we'll do it at 2 walls. Here we go. 6, 7, 8. Let's try it again for me. 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Brush. 8. Step, tap, step, hitch, shuffle, turn, go. Out, out, pop, pop, cross, turn, heel, strut, Jazzbox, start it again. So when you get here, you gotta be on that left foot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, brush, step, tap, step, hitch, step, together, step, brush, out, out, pop, pop, Jazzbox, 2, oh, sorry, cross, and turn, oh my, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's a blooper, and I'm keeping it in. Why not? All right, we're gonna go and try this with music. Now again, remember, there aren't any tags or restarts, but it's fast. So if you need to slow it down, do so by going to that little wheel at the bottom of your video, open it up for settings, and you can adjust the speed. Okay? And we'll get started with some music.
You met a Barbie doll showstopper, beauty queen, looking like she's tumbled out the back of the scene. Dirty martinis and skinny jeans, Miss Hollywood taking over
5, 6, 7, we go.
You think she's one of a kind, and I think lust has made you blind. She don't fit, and friends don't lie. That's right. But she's a buzzkill. I don't mean to be rude, but I think it's about time somebody tell you the truth. A pair of high heels with a bad attitude. She's a crowd chaser, heartbreaker, don't be a fool. They ain't gonna say it, but you bet your ass I will. Yeah, but she's a buzzkill. She's a bit beautiful city bride, clearly been cut from a different cloth. She hates your friends, hates your dog, and we all agree the girl's gotta get gone. Hey man, I don't mean to pry, and it's no business of mine, but your mama would off me if I stay quiet. Oh my. But she's a buzzkill. I don't mean to be rude, but I think it's about time somebody tell you the truth. A pair of high heels with a bad attitude. She's a crowd chaser, heartbreaker, don't be a fool. They ain't gonna say it, but you bet your ass I will. Yeah, but she's a buzzkill. Yeah, but she's a buzzkill. We're all 5 years deep and sober as a judge. Hate to break it to you, but she's a buzzkill. I don't mean to be rude, but I think it's about time you get to cutting her loose. A pair of high heels with a bad attitude. She's a crowd chaser, heartbreaker, don't be a fool. They ain't gonna say it, but you bet your ass I will. They ain't gonna say it, but you bet your ass I will. Yeah, buddy, she's a buzzkill.
All right, that is Buzzkill. The Buzzkill actually is the right name of it. It's a cute high beginner dance. The tempo of it makes it a little bit tricky, you get a little cardio. I hope you enjoyed it. Remember, like, subscribe, share, comment. I appreciate it, and remember to look me up if you're in the Los Angeles area. I sure would love to see you on the dance floor. So Scully and I wish you a fabulous day. Do you wish a fabulous day? Thanks again for coming. We both appreciate it.